So I know this, the beginning of the New Year's, it's February, but even if you don't have a good gym to work out, find a place. Do some workout at your house. Get your cardio up, work those muscles, work those bones. When you're younger, you really need to work those bones because you need to keep the calcium in there. You need to start keeping them strengthened because as you get older, you lose it. Keep it up. As you can tell, I got some extra weight on me. I don't like it, but I do. Constantly working, constantly make yourself better. Go see your chiropractor.